everyone. My name is Sanjana Singh Chawla. I study in grade 2 Ravli. My school name is Manav Rachana International School, Ludhiana. Let's learn about making sound visible. Vibrations of sound waves can be seen in this experiment. We need a glass, some cellophane sheet, some salt and sound. Let's put some salt on the glass. Now I will speak loudly. Hello.